many phenomenal water scientists that show that the incoherence in water actually causes the H2O to clump, and it doesn't absorb that well across the cell membrane. Hydration doesn't penetrate the tissues. It's not creating that ability for the electromagnetics to move through every cell. So there are ways we can optimize our water. We can put coherence into it. It's like blessing something. It's like prayer. You go into your intentional space of reverence and gratitude. I think we're going to talk about the science of gratitude that's related to heart math. It's very real. Everything I love is so tangible. Tons of science on that. With literal crystalline matrices, images before and after. We can put it in the sunshine. Sunshine will create coherence in the water in your bodies. As long as you don't get too much exposure, there's a potentizing that comes through the heat from the particular frequency of infrared light that comes from the sun. Very powerful. We're basically houseplants with complicated emotions. We need water and sunshine and nourishment in the form of nutrients of many kinds, including connecting with one another.
For information on our more extended trainings, which offer continuing education credits for providers of all kinds, email us at practices@flowismedicine.com and be sure to follow us on social media.